We're back on the air. This is Radio Entrepreneurs. My name is Jeffrey Davis, and want to thank again our friends in our new location at MTP Software and the social scene. Thank you, Frank Sincata, for all your support of the radio show, and thanks for everybody for helping to move us in. John Friedman, my partner at Mage. Our next interview is our reporter Peter Myerson, our legal our legal reporter. Sorry about that, Peter. That's Peter Myerson from the law firm of Cohan, Rasnick, Myerson, and Plaut. Peter, we're going to talk today about the benefits and when it's good for an attorney to go virtual.
Yeah, I mean, I've been looking forward to this for a while. You know my background. I mean, I'm a partner in a law firm in Boston, and we have a lot of associates that are using our space, and I frankly have gotten tired of driving in town, and over the past couple of years I've been thinking about, you know, is there a way for me to run my end of the practice with, you know, Bob and John and David, and not have to go in town.
Right.
Because I just find it obnoxious. And I find it unnecessary, actually. And I find that no clients today really want to come in town. They want to meet you, you know, so I can go in town to meet them if they really want to meet in town, or I can meet them at a Panera Bread, or I can meet them at a Starbucks. I mean, the advantages to me are making it more convenient for me, making it more convenient for clients, making it a more comfortable situation. I mean, I don't feel the need to get into a suit, frankly, and most of my clients don't want to be in a suit either. So, you know, I wear a pair of jeans and nobody seems to care.
As long as you do good work. But you're not like the millennials who go straight from law school into private practice. You run the departments of major law firms, the business departments of major law firms.
Well, that's right. And you know, I mean, I hold myself out as outside general counsel to small and mid-sized companies, and I've taken companies public, you know, not for perhaps 10 or 15 years, but I understand the process. So I have a really in-depth understanding of what's involved in, you know, negotiating deals, doing licensing arrangements, you know, both in the United States and abroad, you know, helping clients exit their business when they want to sell, or acquiring new businesses if they want to buy.
Right.
And it involves, you know, dealing with employees and employee issues and how you hire them and how you protect intellectual property and all that kind of stuff. And to me, it's gotten completely unnecessary over the past probably 4 or 5 years to have to be in an office. I mean, if I were trying cases and I had to run up to some courthouse to, you know, get some judge's attention, then maybe I'd have to be in town or in some location near a court. I don't, and I think my clients, my new clients, actually enjoy this process a lot more. It's a lot more flexible for them. It's a lot more flexible for me. I can give them, you know, the same service, and I can cut my price, really.
You know, again, I think, you know, the millennials who are going straight out don't have the legal experience. You still have access to the law firm. You know, I consult to a few law firms, and, you know, I think that they serve a real value in the marketplace. But if I'm a small, medium-sized business, being able to work with someone like you must be, you get the quality of the work, but it must be, the price must be much better because you're not carrying that overhead.
Yeah, I mean, that's, well, it depends on what the arrangements within the firm are. I mean, if you're a kind of a more or less, and most law firms are, you get compensated based on how much business you bring in. Then you kind of have to figure out, you know, what the right pricing is if you don't have the in-house overhead. You know, but my partners were thrilled with this idea.